Izzah, have you seen my eraser?
What?
Eraser.
Your stuff is so messy. You can even see your eraser. Here. Why don't you use this cute container to put your stuff so you can easily find them?
Wow, you're so creative. How you do that? Can you show a tutorial for me?
Tutorial? Of course. Let's begin! First of all, I will tell you guys about origami. Origami is derived from Japanese words that meaning to fold or roll and paper kami. The art of paper folding is popular in Japan but originated earlier in China. You guys must think why people love to make origami, right? So, people love to make origami because they want to foster their creativity. So, our group will show you guys 3 types of origami such as fidget toys, decoration, and also container. So, let's go!
Hi, my name is Izzah. So today I will make an easy organizer origami, which is a container. Let's begin. The first thing you need is just a piece of paper which is A4 size. Okay, the first step is you need to fold half of the paper like this. And again, fold it half like this. Okay, then open it. After that, take the edge of the paper and fold it into triangle. And again, take the edge and fold it into the triangle shape. And then what you need is fold the bottom like this. And once again, fold the bottom like this. After that, you need to open and it will be shaped a cube like this. And next, you have to take this upper part and fold it. And again, just fold it. When it's shaped like a triangle like this, you have to open, and again, it will be shaped like a cube, like this, and open it. First, it will be shaped like a boat, like this. And then, what you have to do is open the inner part of the boat. This, and both sides you have to open it. After that, you need to fold this part and also this part. Same goes to this side. And then fold the upper part again twice like this, and the same goes as this side. Fold twice, and the last step is open it up, and you have to be careful here to make sure your paper is not tear. Open it carefully, and then you're done. Here your container. So you must think what you can do with this container, right? So the benefit of this container is you can keep your small stuff such as your stationery, just like this. For example, your pen, your stapler, and your scissors. There you go.
Hi guys, my name is Anis. So today I will show to you guys how to make a beautiful easy decoration which is a tulip flowers. The first thing first, you must have a piece of paper. The paper must be the same side length which is 6 inches. Then the first step is fold the paper and make a triangle shapes. Open the paper and make the same way here too. Now you may see they have a cross line here. After that, bring the edge and fold to the center line of the cross line like this. Repeat the same method to the other edge too. This. Now you may have a square shape here. After that, fold the paper again and make a triangle shapes. Like this. After that, fold again to make more smaller triangle shapes. Like this. Now, you may see they have a 2 hole here. Take the first hole and open it to make a square shape. Like this. Do the same way to the other side too. This. Now you have a small square shape here. After that, turn it up here and make the open side must be in the upper side. Based on the straight line here, the center line here, fold the paper again like this. Do the same folding to the left side here. Repeat the step to the other side. Like this. And like this. Then fold the paper to hide this part. Now turn it up here and make more smaller sharp edge like this. This small. This is small shapes. Do the same step to the other side. This. And like this. Now, this was a very tricky part. Insert your finger to make and slowly to make a flower shapes like this. This. Then lastly, at this part, roll it up a bit to make a blooming effect flower. Now, here you go, a beautiful tulip flowers. For the perfect tulip flower, you may add the stem and the leaf too. So this is how I decorate my tulip flower. So here you go.
Hi everyone, my name is Ain. So today I will show you how to make these cute fidget toys. So we need a square paper, a scissors and also pens. First and foremost, folding up the bottom part into the upper side and crease well. Then open it. Next, turn the paper and repeat it again. After that, fold the top layer into the base of the triangle and crease well. Next, take the right point and fold it in the middle of the triangle. Repeat the same steps at the left point. Now, it will look like an envelope. After that, take the right part and fold it. Next, take the left part and fold it. Now, it will look like a small square. After that, take the bottom part and fold it into the center. And now, take the scissors and cut it and equal. But
Make sure it's not half. After that, flip the paper and fold the cut part like this. After that, fold the right part and then fold the left part. Next, flip the paper again and start to draw eyes and also mouth. You can add more coloring on cheeks to make it more interesting. Last but not least, fold the paper together in the middle of the line and open it. It's done! Now we can play these fidget toys with our friends. We only use one finger to play these fidget toys. Have fun!
So, what we can conclude in our 3 video is the most important and common step are by folding and flattening the paper. Foldings are important because it creates a 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional object. In addition, folding allows a person to create and manipulate the geometric shapes such as triangle, rectangle, and square. Lastly, don't forget to try at home and make by your own creativity. Bye-bye!